Oh, I need to sign again. Where's the markers?
Yay. On the camera. You want to get... Baby, let me try.
You're not even touching my neck.
Let me try the camera. Ready?
Go.
He's texting Seduce now. Ready? I turn my swag on.
No, but I should probably bring it up. Hey, mother. What does mother say?
I thought you were calling Yoni.
Mother sent me a photo. Yoni is mother.
What? What did I miss? I thought she called him mother.
My mom texted me, but I said mother. I don't know.
And then how did you get him?
I guess Yoni is mommy.
Yoni gave Lucy's phone to Lucy, and then she said, "Thank you, mother." Is it a video?
No.
Oh. Take it.
Oh, Miss! Wow!
Let's do an unboxing.
You look fun! Alright, unboxing!
Oh, I should move.
How do you feel?
Wait, there's a card.
I got a balloon on that.
Oh, yeah. Are you opening the gift for her?
No, I'm getting her card.
How do you feel?
Look, I got paper.
Yeah.
Are you serious? Let's see. Show the viewers. Oh!
Oh, okay.
With some treats for a hardworking boss bitch who 100% deserves a nice break. I hope there will be lots more in the future. Bath salt.
Did it harden? Okay, no.
No. It's good. Bath salt.
I hope
So nonchalant.
You can use my bath salt.
And her face mask.
Oh, you already
Yeah,
made it.
I like that
We
guy.
can use it today.
Girl, because you're 19.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
This is weird.
Of course, man.
It looks inverted.
Is that? I can find any other. Okay.
Yeah, they
Of course, man. And these have notes in them, by the way. I just love you.
Amazing cameraman.
Morning.
What flavor?
Really?
There's two different types of diabetes.
Why?
We don't have diabetes.
Almost.
I don't trust that it's warm.
It's literally warmer than outside.
Oh.
Let me see your toes.
Why?
Because I like your nail polish. Here's mine. Got bit by a shark.
What?
The blinds fell on my foot.
Feet content. For anybody who enjoys watching feet, this is for you.
Not for free.
Maybe this will get monetized
Oh,
in the future.
and then you could title it Feet Freaks.
I don't think he's ever done a flip before.
You like my new hat? It's very cool.
We can do a rule, you can't touch the ball.
This is the cabana. And
Wow.
it acts like I'm like rich and stuff.
Diana, you
So
control
this
the
is the
music.
cabana. We're
control the
staying here for 3 days. We're gonna be pampered with lots of fruits and hydration foods, and we're gonna have our Russian spa. We're gonna delicately roast our marshmallows so that they're golden. If we get a little frustrated, it's okay. We can eat them.
No, it's this part.
Cam's back on.
Dance or something.
No, I There's so much more juice in here. Don't you have to like clean
Look, you have no lips.
Wait.
He has no lips. How would he get a kiss? No kiss for him. You look blue. You look like Mega Mine. Really hoping
Jessica looks like she's in the morgue. Was I being recorded?
Dude, I'm gonna laugh, man.
I might die from chemicals, but there you go. This is brutal. Why can't we cook a pancake? Okay.
Smoothie, and this is the spatula. I'm the chef. Here's the pancake. This is the ugly side. Oh, I missed.
Oh my god.
Again.
3, 2, 1.
Clearly no one can hit unless they're serving right now. Here's Maya. Oh, that was such perfect timing.
$2,000 years later.
Your bum is jiggling also.
She's got a leash.
No. Okay, I'm gonna hold you. Though. Let's open the door for you. No. I'm gonna clean your paws. We're gonna go indoors. I know.
The poor baby.